Charlie. Oh, he caught me. What? Go play in the sink like you were. Charlie. Whoa, it's gonna eat me. Charlie. Whoa, there's Billy. Hi, Bill. Hi, Cody. Cody, the fat boy. Why does it always get blurry? Cody, say hi. Come here, fat. Cody. Billy. Billy. Cody. Not you. Charlie, go play in the water again. Charlie. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. He hates sitting. Billy, sit. Sit. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. Talks back. Sit. Oh, see? He'll tell me, I don't want to. Billy. Cody, come here. Cody. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. Billy, come here. Billy, come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. He's a good boy. Cody, sit. Sit, Cody. I wasn't even talking to you. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. The dog that talks back. Hi, Mom. Cody. Oh, yeah. Billy, come here. Bill. Billy, out of the kitchen. Billy. Out of the kitchen. Billy. Out of the kitchen. Come on. Good boy. Sit. Sit. See, he said I don't want to. Sit. Sit. Billy. Sit. 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 No, out of the kitchen. Out. Sit. 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 Oh, sit. Cody, stop. Stop. Billy, sit. Sit. Billy, sit. Billy, sit. Billy. Cody will eat you. Out of the kitchen. Hey, a good boy, Cody, huh? Cody's a good boy. Look at that food. Oh, I'm blurry. What? You're so gross. I'm gonna put this on, like, Facebook. Billy, sit. Billy. Billy, sit. Sit. Charlie. Oh. Meow. Run for the kitty.